Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change address setting on customer Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, let's head over to your settings right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see this checkout. So under this checkout right here, you should be able to see customer contact method and also this information right here. You can require the first and last name. So it's actually very beneficial, and you can also not include the company name. You can choose the ones that are recommended for your Shopify. Now for this one, you can actually require shipping address, phone number, and under this options, you can also make sure that email is enabled as well as SMS right here if you want. Now you can also show tipping, and under this right here on the address collection preferences, you can use the shipping address as the billing address by default. You can also use adjust at the completion and validate shipping address. This will allow your customers in order to actually integrate their checkout experience for a faster checkout. So as you see in here on the Shopify Online Center or Help Center, they have here the actual article for the address collection preferences. So in here, you can also see in here the order processing. Like for example, automatically fulfill the orders, or you can also automatically archive the orders, and also this order status page right here, as well as the checkout language. Now, next thing you need to do is head over and click on save right here. And now your progress has been saved. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.